Hello friends, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest developments in technology and its impact on our world. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. It's no secret that we are facing a global climate crisis and we need to act fast. In this video, we will be discussing the progress in green technology and how it's going to shape the future of our planet. The world has been struggling to put the brakes on carbon emission for years now. But in 2023, we will see some exciting developments that are going to make a significant difference. One of the most promising green technologies is green hydrogen, which is a new clean burning source of energy that produces close to zero greenhouse gas emissions. Two major European energy companies, Shell and RWE, are leading the way by creating the first major green pipeline from wind plants in the North Sea. This pipeline will transport green hydrogen to power plants and other industries, reducing the carbon footprint of our energy consumption significantly. But that's not all. We will also see progress in the development of decentralized power grids. These grids will use a system of small power generators and storage located in communities or individual houses. This model provides power even if the main grid is not available, making it more reliable and less vulnerable to outages. This type of energy generation will also decentralize power worldwide, giving more control to individuals and communities. Instead of being dominated by huge gas and energy companies, decentralized energy initiatives have the potential to create a more sustainable and equitable energy system that reduces carbon emissions. We are excited about the progress in green technology and how it's going to shape our future. With the development of green hydrogen and decentralized power grids, we are taking the first step towards a more sustainable future. But in all seriousness, it's important to think how we can play a role in reducing carbon emissions and can contribute to a sustainable future. For example, turning off the lights when you leave a room, or using a reusable water bottle instead of buying a plastic bottle. And by supporting these initiatives, we can make a significant impact on our planet. That's all about the impressive update in the green technology. We will see you in our next video, and for that, subscribe to our channel in FinKey Infopedia. Thank you for watching.